In this video, I show you how to record audio in Audacity.
Hi everyone, my name is Joe and welcome to Ubitronics. On this channel, I show you how to use open source software. Today, we're looking at Audacity and how to record audio in Audacity. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to use my microphone, but you could have any MIDI device attached. As long as you can see it in your drop downs and your settings, then you should be able to record from it. Now, I'm not going to go over all of the recording settings in this video because I've got a complete video on that, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you need to change your settings at all, then follow that link right now. However, assuming it all displays, then your recording device should show in the display here. If you select the one you want to use and then come up to here, if you click, it will show you the recording volumes, and you just need to make sure that it doesn't hit the blue line, doesn't go over 0. With all of that in order, you can then click the record button just here, and that will start recording your voice in Audacity. So to demonstrate that, if I click now, then you can see the waveforms forming on the screen as I talk. If I'm silent, then it will not record anything, or it's got a small little whisper of things in the background. That's fairly normal for Audacity and for my particular microphone, but this is what you would expect to see once you're recording. When you want to stop recording, if you click on the stop button here, it will stop recording your audio. Now, just to clarify, if you wanted to change your audio device, you can come down here and click on one of your other audio inputs. I'm not going to do that for this video, but you should be able to now record in Audacity on whichever devices you have connected. So I hope that's been helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.